Hey guys, Llama Soul here with another video. Today we're going to be looking at the Quick Cube. This is a Duncan puzzle that I actually purchased from Mapco. It was a $7 puzzle. Went ahead and bought it so I could go ahead and put it up against my Yulong, as y'all saw in my last review. It's a $7 cube. You can purchase them at Mapco. It's like, well, I want to see what it's like, so I figured I'd buy it. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, and then we'll do a comparison against this guy after I use it for a little while. Go ahead and get all that junk off of there. First thoughts, very scratchy, you can tell it's a cheap cube. Very light, actually. This is a stickered cube. I'm normally using stickerless. The stickers seem okay. The stock lubricant is as you would expect. The puzzle's pretty loose, coming out of the box. No real grease like you would normally find on speed cubes. For a $7 puzzle, it's already looking pretty promising for being something I can just go buy at Mapco real fast and call it a day. Like I said, it is $7. Stickers, I like the colors. It's hard for you guys to tell because of how the lighting is. The colors are very bright. I like the vibrancy of them. They're actually very comparable to my Yulong in color. I wish that they would have used black plastic rather than using white plastic. That's just a personal preference of mine. I'm going to use it a little bit for a few solves and then come back with my thoughts. So far, it's looking like it's a okay cube for beginners. The corner cutting is actually not bad at all. Basically a full piece. The reverse corner cutting is about a full piece. Very solid corner cutting, actually. So I'm going to do a couple solves. I'll be back in a second. Final thoughts on this cube after doing about 3 or 4 solves on it. I don't like the color. After doing some solves on it, I'm seeing that with the white plastic, if you look in a shadow, they're going to be very hard to tell apart. They're almost identical. Like you can see in the camera, they are identical. But for a person, they're going to be very hard to tell apart, along with the white and the yellow. So I'm not actually happy that they used white plastic at all. I think it would have been a very good cube if it had black plastic instead. $7. If you can't ship something, if you can't get it, or you want it today, it's not a bad cube. It's okay. Or if you want to get it for your kid, it's a very well-made puzzle for someone that's younger. It's pretty durable. Overall, my thoughts: is it worth $7? Not really. Is it worth $7 being at Mapco? Yes, because they could have easily put like a $15 price tag, and everyone would have still bought them most likely. I know I would not have. But for a $7 cube that you can get at a Mapco or probably other rest stops, I'm not completely sure, it's not bad. I would recommend it. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. If you want to come hang out live, check out my Twitch Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 5 p.m. CST, and we can talk some more about cubing, or Tuesdays and Thursdays for some games. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.